Valentines. Valentine's time has come around the corner. So we making turtles for our friends. I need paper towels.
For the boys.
For the boys.
The
Yeah.
boys.
The boys. Boys. The girls get the owls and stuff.
And some hippos.
Yeah, hippo.
And probably some elephants.
Hippo?
No owl. You guys like my first turtle?
Ready when you are.
But I'm better at this one. I tried my best on the first one.
That's all that matters is if you try your best.
And I accidentally showed the white on this one, but it's okay. Mommy showed the white on her first one. Wait, Mommy?
Are you watching TV or are you doing your turtle?
Watching TV.
Right there. Right there.
I'm already done.
Right
You're done? You're all done? Is that your second turtle? So we're all done. Your turtles.
Oh, but I want to make another one.
We're going to. We're going to make maybe hippos next.
Well,
Move it. Oh no, the other identity.
just so it's a little bit better. There's a little bit too much. There's the ear. I bet I'm sitting it on the table.
Look. Look at you.
You.
Don't sneak up like that. We're on our elephants now.
Oh, sorry. We done the turtles first, and we done the hippos. I just want to show you one of them. This is one of them. Okay. And now I'm getting back
They
to
smell
my
like glue.
elephant guys.
Smell like glue, guys.
That's because we need glue, alright?
Ah, there's a big
Bubble and it just popped.
There's a bubble.
What about your
There's
craft?
dry glue on them.
It's all right. It's okay. Your hands aren't going to melt away.
Oh, Mommy.
You're fine, baby. You can wash your hands when you're done.
Dry glue! My eye. What's next? A heart on the nose?
Yeah, you put a heart on the trunk.
I want to put the ears on.
You
Does
can.
it go under?
Nope, it goes on top.
The ears
I'll make
go
like
under,
a
right,
V.
Mommy? Look, I'm looking at the picture and look, the ears go under.
You're
Mom,
sure
see,
right.
I made a V.
Cool.
It's
Cool,
a
cool.
little bit down, but it's okay.
It's your elephant. You can make it however you want to.
I said,
then
you gotta
what's
copy
next?
this picture.
The eyes? And then we're done?
Yep. Put your eyes on.
I don't have eyes.
Put those googly eyes on there.
Okay. Then I have to make more.
Oh no, I took my masterpiece off. I fucked up.
Last Christmas, I gave my heart, but the very next day, you gave it away.
But he gave it away.
All right, show me your elephant.
Got any grapes?
Lift it up. Put it in front of your face. It was Valentine's Day at school.
Good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Did you do anything fun?
I got lots of stuff from my friends and Mr. Raymond.
Yeah. And did you play any games?
Really?
No, you didn't play any games. Did you go sliding today, or was it too cold?
Too cool.
Again? Oh
I
no.
got cookie.
You want a cookie?
I have to have music.
You had music today?
No, tomorrow.
You tomorrow? You mean when you go back to school?
Yeah.
Yeah, because there's no school tomorrow. It's the weekend.
Oopsie.
And we're off until Tuesday, because Monday's a holiday.
No fair.
It's a family day. We got Valentine's Day on Sunday, and we got Family Day on Monday.
But then we don't go back to school until the day 100.
That's okay. That's fun. So did you do anything fun at school today?
Yeah.
Yeah, what did you do?
For art, we had an indoor, and then when we did art,
Mm-hmm.
we did whatever we wanted,
Yeah.
and I made one for Mom and one for my dad.
Yeah. You drew us pictures?
Painted.
Oh, you painted pictures?
I'm going to show you. Paint.
Yeah, you made them with
Mom.
Crayola paint?
I love you, Mom. And this one's for Dad.
Hey, Mommy.
Pretty.